Hi investors, so this unit is our most recommendable unit for Airbnb and for long-term rental. So this is studio unit of Uptown Arts Residence, 41.5 square meter. So tara, check natin. Hi investors, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you our most recommendable unit na pwede natin gamitin for Airbnb or kahit pa long-term rental. And welcome to Uptown Arts Residence. Tara, buhay ahente tayo. Uptown Arts Residence is located in 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig City. And since Uptown Bonifacio is located in Bonifacio Global City, around the area lamang yung magiging target market natin dito sa Uptown Arts Residence. So, meron tayong mga international offices, international schools, malapit tayo sa Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, even Mitsukoshi Mall and Landers BCGC is near to the property. And aside from that, St. Luke's is only 5 minutes away dito kay Uptown Arts Residence. So yan yung mga magiging target market natin kapag ipinarent natin or pina-Airbnb yung property nyo. So check na natin yung unit na i-offer ko sa inyo. Hi investors, so this unit is our most recommendable unit for Airbnb and for long-term rental. So this is studio unit of Uptown Arts Residence, 41.5 square meter. So tara, check natin. So upon entering, yung switch nga pala ng light natin is by HDL na, and this unit is smart home ready. So this will be your kitchen. Sa kitchen nyo kung bakit maganda siya for Airbnb and long-term rental, kasi meron na tayong 2 induction cooktop, range hood, kitchen cabinets is also included, may box type na tayo na sink, and of course, yung fridge natin is included na dito sa studio unit na ito. Kaya, ito yung mga pinipili ng mga investor or nagre-rent dito sa Bonifacio Global City. So, this will be your bathroom, and this space, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng tables and chairs for your dining area. And ito namang side na to, this will be your space for your bedroom. Sa bedroom natin, meron tayong modular closet, and meron tayong inverter aircon. Dito sa inverter aircon, pwede na siyang mapalamig yung buong kwarto. And this will be your window or balcony. So sa balcony nyo, yung pwede nating maging view dito is Uptown Bonifacio or Uptown Mall. So ito yung most recommendable namin for Airbnb and long-term investment. And so magkano nga ba yung pwede nating kitain dito sa studio unit na 41.5 square meter ni Uptown Arts? So for long-term rental, pwede tayong mag-demand ng 60,000 up to 80,000 dito sa studio unit na ito, and depende yan sa interior ng unit nyo. And for Airbnb naman, pwede tayong mag-demand ng 7,000 up to 10,000 per night dito sa studio unit na to. So if you wanna know more, inquire now.